Hello everyone, welcome along to Rathbone Manor and another unboxing or unpackaging if you like. I found this whilst I was looking for something else in this line, not this sort of thing at all. I didn't even know they made these. I don't know how this review is going to go because there aren't that many reviews from the website I bought this from. One or two of them say it's not very good, not very well made at all. But I thought, well, we'll give it a go and see what we got. So let's get in there and see what we got, shall we? Where do I start on this thing here? Let's try just here then. Very carefully. Fine. That should get us into it. Let's have a look then, guys. Oh, what? Ugh. Really? Good grief. Come on. Out you come. Ugh. Right then. Let's get rid of that on the floor. We don't need a bit of paper either. There we go, guys. And here we are. What have we got here? The Gunson 77146 classic wooden handle screwdriver, flat, 9.5mm by 200mm long. Well, I can't wait to get into this one then. Can we get into it? It's going to be easy to get into. Hope so. Is it stapled? Yes, it is stapled. I need some pliers. Okay then, staples removed. Can we slip it out? There we go. Packaging out. And we've got a sort of packaging we've got. Oh, I see. Oh wow. Oh, this is heavy. Oh, check this out, guys. What do you think of this? This is my first look. Get that on the floor as well. Oh wow. Okay, because a lot of the reviews are saying that the wood wasn't all that clever on here. There is a little bit of a overlap just there. Doesn't look too bad. Feels quite nice in the hand. Okay. Well, they've not quite finished it off just there, look. They've missed that little bit. Ooh. Nice. What do you think then, guys? It feels nice and handy. I can feel a little sharp bit there somewhere. A little bit just there, so yeah. Okay. What we got just there then? Yep, slight overlap with the wood just there, sticking out a little bit, it's a little bit sharp. Nice wood though, I like that. Yeah, quite a nice bit of wood. It's very heavy too. Solid screwdriver. I wonder how much it weighs. Okay, so here we have Mrs. Rathbone's kitchen scales here. Let's pop it on. 213 grams or 7.5 ounces. Blimey. So that's a fairly solid chunk of metal in here. It's really, really heavy, really solid. Obviously you can see what it is, guys. It's a perfect handle screwdriver, Reproduction. Wow, that's not bad. Apart from the few bits of wood that are not been done properly, that's not too bad at all actually. What sort of screws have we got in here? They're Allen or hex head screws. It's quite up to date then. Cool. Well, I can't say as I'm greatly disappointed with this little fellow. We can feel it's been ground just there though. They have missed a bit of the paint there. You can see where they put some lacquer around the head after they've ground it. But yeah, that's a solid chunk of a screwdriver. Is that? Oh, I quite like that actually. That's not bad. How much did it cost me? £11 something. I'll put it just here. But it's £11 something it cost me. But yeah, I'm quite impressed with that. That's not bad at all. The old perfect handle screwdriver, modern Reproduction. And I'm telling you now, guys, that is a solid chunk of a screwdriver. Wow. Yeah, I like that. That's not too bad at all, actually. Quite like that. What do you think then, guys? Let me know what you think down in the comments. So I didn't know they still made these actually. But yeah, this is a really solid chunk of a screwdriver. They also do them in a sort of like a, I guess, polished or chrome finish. You can get longer ones than this, you can get shorter ones than this. I got this one off of eBay. I think you can also find them on Amazon too. Here is the company that makes them, Gunson. Classic wooden handled screwdriver. Mine is the 9.5mm by 200mm blade. There we go, flat tip. Oh, here we go. Blade manufactured from heat treated, what's that? I can't read that. IC55 steel. Other sizes available. There they are. Oh, they're quite cool, aren't they? Yeah, I like that. That's not bad. As I say, it's got a few rough edges to it. Just there, where it's not been taken down properly. Just there, I can feel that bit around there too. Yeah, it's a bit sharp just there. But other than that, not bad at all. I like that. Quite pleased with that. Nice. Really solid, really heavy. It's probably one of the heaviest screwdrivers I've got. IC55 steel, eh? That's not bad. I like that. Quite a nice screwdriver, that one here, guys. Like it. Okay, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing and first look at this screwdriver here. Don't forget you can subscribe to the channel, click like, you can share the video too. You can also join me on Instagram, and I'm going to be sticking this on Instagram in a few moments too. Alright then, guys, here's the screwdriver I bought on Sunday. Yeah, so okay guys, so thanks for popping over, thanks for taking a look at this modern reproduction perfect handle screwdriver, and I will catch you on the next video. Catch you later.